Uy!
Hey girl, I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you. Come on and let me sneak you out and have a celebration. A celebration. The music up, the windows down. Yeah, we'll be doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool, and we know it too. Yeah, we'll keep doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool. So
Iron Valiant goes
let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend.
RLC number one. RLC number one.
RLC is number one. Number one.
And live while we're young.
Lahat naman ng event ng Singapore talagang pinagplanuhan.
Binabalikan ko talaga yung Singapore kasi ang daming market dito.
Maraming takeaways, and of course, maraming risks.
Trabahuin lang natin, maging masipag lang tayo.
Nakapag-invite po ako ng dalawang international marketing partner.
Galing yung speaker, kulang client.
It was organized, okay naman siya. Medyo naging exclusive.
Napaw sila pagpasok pa lang ng venue.
As of now, wala naman akong masasabing mali.
This is the best country na pwede tayo mag-establish na non-visa.
This is actually a group effort.
Can do it kahit tayo lang.
What time is it?
So